everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Fiverr.com. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Fiverr is an Israeli online marketplace for freelance services. It provides a platform for freelancers to offer services to customers worldwide. If you'd like to create an account on Fiverr, then follow the steps. Start by clicking open any web browser you want. In the search box, type in www.fiverr.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Fiverr. Now, in order to create an account, click on the join button in the upper right corner and you'll be able to see a pop-up appearing in your display. You can sign up to Fiverr with your Facebook account, with your Google account, or even with your Apple account. You can also choose to enter your email address and sign up to an account. Enter your email in the email text field. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Now, click on Continue. By clicking on Continue, you'll automatically agree to receive emails from Fiverr. Now, choose a username for your account. Type in a username that you'd like to use and move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. Make sure to type in a strong password that you can remember easily. Make sure to use 8 characters or longer for your password, and you'll need to combine upper and lowercase letters and numbers on your password. Once you type in the password meeting the criteria, click on Join and you'll be able to create a Fiverr account in no time. Go to your email by clicking on this link at the upper right and activate your account before beginning. Click open the email and click on activate your account. And there you go. Now you can go ahead and edit your profile by clicking on your initial at the upper right. Go to profile, select a profile picture for yourself by clicking on this camera icon. Import a picture from your library. You can type in a short description about yourself and click on update. Scroll all the way down. Link your account with Facebook, Google, and other accounts displayed on the screen. Add in your skills, education backgrounds, certifications, and much more. If you'd like to log out of your account, you'll need to click on this profile icon at the upper right and move all the way down and click on log out. That is how you can easily sign up for Fiverr. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.